Oh, sorry. This is the external issues. Now let me show you internal issues first.
Now, can we say apart from issues, like we can consider that as an opportunity also,
No,
where you
because
see the
no. There's a
uh,
reason. See, there's a
okay.
reason. If you look at it opportunity, they'll put it on the paper also as an opportunity, right?
Hmm.
But the standard says that it needs to be put as a issues. There's a reason for that.
Okay.
Okay, because these issues will be direct input to what going forward.
So opportunity grows more like a suggestion in that case, as you say.
Yeah.
Right.
Suggestions
Okay.
we don't have to give. We have to point out the
Exact
issues
issues.
because these issues directly will be input to
Hmm.
what. Anybody can tell me.
Like,
Sorry,
come
could you
again?
repeat that?
Yeah.
These issues, what we find out, for example, lack of clear roles and responsibilities, lack of awareness training, all these issues can be direct input to what?
But
Risk,
this we
risk
have not
assessment.
identified
Risk
from
assessment.
the case
Yeah.
study.
Risk assessment. Simple.
Risk. Okay. Yeah.
See, these are all risk, yes or no? Lack
Yeah.
of clear
These are
roles and
risk.
responsibilities are risk,
Correct.
yes or no?
These are translated risk.
These are all translatable to risk, guys. Come on.
Hmm.
But the only thing which is missing in front of you, again, try to understand. These are all generic. These are generated from ChatGPT. Try to
Oh.
understand what I'm telling you, right?
Okay.
Everybody will be able to get these issues. Now, problem is the relatability,
Relatability.
which
Yeah,
nobody
that's
tell.
what I was going to say.
Yeah,
This is something which has been pulled down. I mean, it's not from the case study, but this is automatically then the understood kind of thing that these things will be the
see,
weaknesses that I was saying. Then automatically,
exactly,
then these weaknesses do come in there automatically because it hasn't got the ISMS.
exactly. Now you are absolutely right, Azhar. And these are the types of issues which every company would have. Yes or no?
Yes.
But the question is not there. The problem statement now starts, which nobody will tell you again. This is because this is now inside stuff. You have to now relate this to the organization. That is the main problem now. Because now let's say I'll give you one example, okay, that will help you clarify. When you will write lack of clear roles and responsibility, can you write this without assessing the organization? Tell me that. No,
No.
Nope.
No,
you
that's
can't.
no.
You can't write this.
Hmm.
Can you say low awareness between the employees without checking whether the organization is providing awareness training or not? The
Hmm.
answer is no. Okay, so this is where your due diligence will come in. This is where you need to meet the right people, the business owners, to check all these. These are basically questions for you guys. These are basically questions. You have to take answers for them. And then, if the answers are missing, then they will become the issues. That is the practicality of the situation.
Mm.
Got it?
So
So from
SWOT analysis.
Yeah, SWOT analysis you can do. Not an issue.
Yeah, so this is what will identify all of this then strengths and weaknesses
But
or
here we
threats
are,
or opportunities.
yeah, but here we are basically concerned with the weaknesses, right? Because we want to find out the issues. Strengths we don't want to consider at this moment, right?
so
Okay.
from implementation wise, love just wanted to understand.
Yeah.
So when we go from implementation perspective in or any organization and we start questioning, so this is something that they should be readily available
No,
from the
no,
business
no, no,
side,
no, no. I'll tell
or we
you.
will have to
Very,
identify.
very good question, Nitin.
Yeah.
Very good question.
Yeah.
I will tell you the documents that will give you this directly. Do you
Okay.
want those documents? Tell me. From the organization itself, you can get this information directly.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
I tell you these documents, should I tell you? That is the question. Because
Yes,
if I tell you this, then anybody can implement. Then what is the need of me and Jant?
right.
Jant, should we tell them what are those documents that you need to look for? Jant is not there, huh?
I'm here. I'm here. No,
What?
I
What?
was saying like
Yeah.
we're here to give out the information or tips basically.
Yeah, but these are hidden secrets. Shall we give them?
Definitely.
Okay. Okay. Good. So the first document that you guys need to look